Let's go through the first steps together so you can put your appliance into operation correctly. After installation, we recommend you thoroughly clean the cooking space and accessories. Here's how to put your combi-steamer into operation. Switch on the appliance by touching the display for a few seconds. The Setup Assistant will then take you step by step through the different user settings that are required for operation. In the next step, the water system is being flushed. Touch this button and follow the instructions. The process takes about 5 minutes. To burn in the appliance, tap this button. This disinfects residues that have built up during manufacture or transportation. This takes about an hour. Now your appliance is completely clean and ready to use. In the User Settings app, you can adjust your appliance to your preferences and personalize the settings at any time. For example, you can activate the childproof lock, or change the color, brightness, or background pictures on your display. You can also adjust the tones and sounds. Under Individual Settings, you can even adjust the Easy Cook app settings according to your diet and other preferences. Your appliance is now ready for new cooking adventures. Have fun!